It's staying, your kiss like broken glass on my skin. Reminding me to forget.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for northwestern St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, east central St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Atchafalaya National Wildlife Refuge, or 8 miles south of Krop Springs, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Krop Springs around 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.